Mae gwaith ieuenctid yn rhywle I fynd.
I'm so much to grow.
Youth work is somewhere to go and somewhere to grow.
Mae'n rhoi ymdeimlad o berthyn I ni.
It's somewhere where I can be myself.
Mae gweithio ieuenctid yn gwrando.
They fill me with confidence.
Ac yn blaenhau I fy anghenion.
Every year, thousands of young people access one-to-one support.
Clwbiau ieuenctid a llwyth o weithgareddau gwyliau ysgol.
There's always something going on. Rydych chi'n teimlo'n rhan o rhywbeth.
We understand everyone's journeys are different.
Dydy pawb ddim yn teimlo'n diogel, nac ein wedi deall.
But they should.
This is at the core of our youth work strategy.
We're changing things.
Gwneud pobl ifanc yn crefyddol.
We celebrate culture.
Dysgu y tu hwnt y dosbarth.
Access in safe spaces made for us and by us.
Rydym yn buddsoddi mewn pobl ifanc.
This is our voice. Dyma pwy ydyn ni.
Through youth work we learn.
Rydym ni'n cael ein cefnogi.
We're understood.
Ac rydym ni'n cael ein gwerthfawrogi.
This is Caerdydd. This is Caerdydd.
Dinas o pobl ifanc.
Who are full of ideas.
And full of energy. We've got things to say.
We've got a future here.
We've got things to change.
This is more than a service!
Mae hwn yn bodd at gydleoedd.
A path towards our future.
Dyma ein dinas ni.
This is our city. Ac rydyn ni'n I hadleidau gyda'n gilydd.